Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important features about lamotrigine and rash. Lamotrigine is mainly effective in Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. It is effective in Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. So lamotrigine will cause serious side effects, which will result in withdrawal of the drug or stoppage of the drug. These include toxic epidermal necrosis in some patients or severe rash. These side effects are more common in children than in adults. So this is about lamotrigine and the rash. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.